Okay, so I just wanted to give an updated video on our new chicks. You can see they're still down there. We have been keeping, I don't know if you can see that, the temperature around 90 degrees. Right there in the lower right, 91, look at that. Nice healthy temperature. We did lose one chick. It was within the 48 hours, and I'm sure that they're gonna replace it or give me credit. But everybody seems to be doing good. I put those little roosting bars in there, and at first only maybe one would be on there, and now today when I came down, I think there was like 8. So we started with 22. One unfortunately passed. It was one of these guys. One of them little prairie blue eggers. They're only supposed to be about half the size of a regular chick. And I could tell because right there, that yellow one looks like a peep. They're huge. Their head's big. Their feet, look how big those feet are. It's crazy. I have a little trouble with the water. I put rocks in there so they wouldn't drown. Now I think their head's too big to get down in there, so I took half the rocks out. But boy, when they get excited, they kick up the shavings right in there. And I'm going to show you. It's amazing. I got these mealworms, Tractor Supply. They love these things. They go crazy. Try stealing them from each other. They run around. It's like, there must be something in these. Maybe I should try a couple. Because I could kind of use that kind of energy once in a while. You got to remember, these guys are, they were born on December 10th. Today's the 16th, so they aren't even a week old. They're doing well. My wife sent me a video this morning while I was out at work, and they were all running around like this. I thought there was something wrong. I didn't realize that she just gave them some treats. They all seem to be getting along. I don't really see any dominance. I don't see any pecking. I got the red lights. It's supposed to reduce pecking. Apparently it does. I don't know if you can see on the back of these, like their wings are really starting to grow. A little white there on that one. It's amazing, even this one. Their wings are really sprouting out. I want to keep these videos I want to do the videos every couple days so I can see how quick they grow. Still happy I got them. No buyer's remorse. I got them from Hoover's hatchery. Can't wait till I can get more. All right, that's it for now. I'm going to update later. These are cute.